precious to live for. When the sun's actually out in the PNW and I'm able to just sit in my garden, listen to the birds, have my hot tea, plant some seeds, I don't think anything's really better than that. I've got a lot of my lettuce starts in, my sugar snap peas, my kale has resurfaced from last year. I actually have several lettuces for how gentle of a plant that they look are very, very hardy. They'll typically come back. I haven't filled the beds yet with my tomatoes, which are coming in about a week or two, but sweet alyssum and pansies are my two companion plants for tomatoes. It'll look so pretty. Look so pretty.